Panic at a high school in Homestead today. A young man arrested after showing up near campus with a rifle. CBS 4's Amber Diaz is live at the jail in West Miami-Dade with an update on what turned out to be quite a scare. Amber.
That's right. Good evening to you both. Yes, 23-year-old Christian Edinger bonded out of jail tonight. He tells police he was not targeting anyone at South Dade Senior High School in Homestead. Instead, he had other plans for that rifle in his backpack.
We seen police officers with guns and stuff. It was like very scary.
A student took this video inside South Dade Senior High School, showing officers checking classrooms with their weapons drawn. The school went on lockdown Thursday morning after reports of a man sitting on a dirt bike in traffic along Southwest 288th Street with a rifle sticking out of his backpack. The suspect was 23-year-old Christian Edinger.
Number one, he was riding this vehicle in an area fairly close to South Dade Senior High School. Secondly, the clothing that he was wearing was described as matching the uniform colors of students at South Dade Senior High School. Those were two huge red flags that could not be ignored.
According to police, they found Edinger at a home nearby where he rents Inefficiency. He told police he went to his brother's house near the school because his brother was having problems with people. He did not elaborate.
Many times what we deal with in a school community is not necessarily acts committed by students. Individuals in the community that have no affiliation to our schools or to our students or our staff, but may pose a threat to our school community.
Carvalho credits the community for stepping up, sticking to the see something, say something policy.
It was the voice of adults and students relaying what they had seen that possibly averted a terrible situation.
And police say Edinger was very apologetic over the situation and understands the consequences for his actions. Police also say he handed over a case that was under his bed filled with more guns and 50 rounds of ammunition. He's now being charged with educational interference and improper weapon exhibition. Reporting live, Amber Diaz, CBS 4 News Tonight.
Amber, thank you for that. Now